Introduction to Exporting Reports in Wally.
Wally is a popular personal finance app that makes budgeting easier. If you want to keep backup records, analyze your finances, or share your budget details, exporting your data is a smart move. In this tutorial, we'll walk step by step through the process of exporting your budget reports from the Wally app.
Accessing the Report section.
Begin by opening the Wally app on your device. Navigate to the main menu and look for a section labeled Reports or Insights. Here you'll find visual breakdowns of your spending and income. Select the specific time period or budget category you want to export for a more focused report.
Choosing what to export.
Within the Report section, Wally allows you to customize what data you want to export. You might be able to select between monthly summaries, categories, or all transactions. Take a moment to review the options and choose the dataset that best fits your needs for sharing or analysis.
Exporting data from Wally.
Look for an Export or Share button, usually found at the top or bottom of the report screen. Tap this option, and Wally will prompt you to choose a file format, typically CSV or PDF. CSV files are useful for spreadsheets, while PDFs offer a printable summary. Make your selection and confirm the export.
Saving and sharing your budget report.
Once you've exported the report, Wally will offer ways to save the file to your device, send it via email, or share it with others through your chosen app. Check your Downloads folder or email inbox for the file. Now you can securely store, review, or share your budgeting information whenever you need it.
Tips for managing exported reports.
To keep your financial records organized, consider exporting reports on a regular basis. Use file names that include dates for easy tracking. Always keep your device secure when handling sensitive data and delete any files you no longer need. With these steps, exporting and managing your Wally budget reports becomes simple and efficient.